Stump Grinding Blacktown. Expert Tree Removal Pty Ltd specializes in efficiently removing stumps through grinding, avoiding the need for drilling. While stump grinding is our preferred method, we also offer stump removal for cases where underground systems or retaining walls are at risk. Our team employs specialized equipment for brush removal, ensuring the site is primed for new projects by clearing trees, stumps, and plants. All our tree services adhere to regulatory guidelines, including obtaining council approval. In land clearing, we combine tree, shrub, and stump removal with debris cleanup and leveling, preparing a flat surface for construction and heavy machinery. After cutting trees, we utilize a wood chipper to convert trunks and branches into mulch, preventing soil erosion and weed growth on cleared land.